Quit pushing it back. Let her down some. I'm pushing straight over. And then you can go back. Okay, down a little bit, Joe. Okay, now you can push back.
Slow. Slow.
Down. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold it. Hook.
And then there's Noni.
What'd you say?
Motor mount bolts.
Water mount.
What motor mount bolts? Fucking motor mount bolts. Motor mount bolts.
Sits on the fucking flat.
Yeah, you got them?
Yeah, they're down underneath. What do you need them for? You need to stab the fucker first.
Alright.
And then the motor mount, it'll set right in there on a V, and that'll be it. You need to have this thing right here. Lay down. Easy. Back it up. Okay, down. Down. A little more. Alright, a little more. Okay, up. 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 Easy. Up. A little bit. Up just a little bit. A little bit more. Oh. You going down or me?
Better
Fuck.